Hi guys, welcome back. It is another mouth-watering delicious recipe. If you want to see how I made this spicy fried beef and plantain, please stay tuned. So guys, for our ingredients today, we're using plantain, right? I have cut and cleaned my plantain. We're using curry powder and thyme, mixed seasoning, salt, onions, vegetable oil, maggi seasoning cubes, onions and sweet bell pepper. And we're also going to be using the barbecue stick. We are going to be using 2 habanero pepper. Okay guys, this is our beef. We are going to add seasoning in the beef and we are going to cook our beef until the beef is done and ready. So I've added my onions. I'm going to add curry. So I'm going to add 2 maggi. I'm going to add thyme, mixed seasoning and salt. Okay, we are going to cover the meat and we are going to cook the meat until it's tender and soft. So I'm going to add some vegetable oil in the pot. I am going to allow the oil to heat up a bit. So after allowing our oil to heat up a bit, I'm going to add my onions. Now I'm going to allow that to fry for a few seconds. After frying the onions for a few seconds, I am going to add my blended pepper and onions mixture. Now I'm going to allow that to simmer in the medium heat like 4, right? And we're going to cook it until we can see that the pepper has dried out a bit. I'm going to let that oil heat up because I'm going to be using it to fry my plantain, and then also I'm going to use it to fry my meat as well. So yeah. Okay, I'm going to add salt in my plantain and I'm going to mix it together. Taking the beef out of the stove, and yeah, I'm going to also fry the meat. So I'm going to let it cool down, and then when I'm ready to fry it, I'll put it inside a hot oil and then fry it. So our oil is hot now. I am going to start adding my plantain, and I have kind of cut my plantain round for this recipe. Usually we cut it like is a triangle shape or something, but for this recipe you do want it to be round, okay? So after frying my plantain, I am going to go on and fry my meat. pepper mixture has dried up. This is how you want it. You want it to fry and dry it completely. Now we are going to add our seasoning inside the pot. I'm going to add 2 maggi, mixed seasoning, curry, thyme, and sauce. So I've added all my ingredients. I'm going to mix it up. I'm going to allow it to simmer for like 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, because this sauce is going to be a dry sauce, we're not going to add water. We do not need water in this sauce at all. So now we're going to add our meat and our plantain inside the sauce. I'm just gonna allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. So guys, after 5 minutes, we're done with this sauce. Everything has simmered together with the sauce. The plantain and the meat has simmered together with the sauce. So we're going to fish out our plantain and our meat out of the pot, because we don't want to leave it together like this. We're going to be putting it, you know, on a stick and make it look fancy. Anywho, let's take our plantain and our meat out from the pot. And then if you finish fishing the thing out, and if you have any sauce remaining, you can, you know, use that for your whatever, rice, you know, spaghetti, whatever that you're gonna eat. That will go so well with either rice or spaghetti. Alright guys, I have taken out all my meat and my plantain out from the sauce. That is the sauce we have left. Okay, this I'm gonna keep later for something else, okay, because it's a very good sauce, right? So at this point we just take our stick, yeah, and we start sticking. You know, it's the fun part of it now. There's no work to this one. And I have actually cleaned, please clean this before you use it, okay? I have actually cleaned this. Okay, let's get on it. And voila, that is what we are going for, right? So guys, we are done, and it is absolutely looking so gorgeous, and it is looking so divine and so delicious. This is a perfect party food, like if you're having a barbecue or you're inviting somebody over for just an evening of chill and drink and eat. Now this is mouth-watering. This is very good. Let me rotate it around so you can see the prettiness of the food. So guys, guys, we are done. It is looking very good. I can't possibly wait to dive in and demolish like champions. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. Pew 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 pew.